gosh, I'm dead tired. I'm only done 206 miles so far since I left at 12. So it's 12 o'clock and now it's 10 past 6. So it's 6 hours and I've done only 200 miles. This is insane. So over 1100 miles or 1200, don't know exactly, but it shows on the mileage side. 707 miles, 10 hours 34 minutes, and yeah, you need to take a U-turn. It's already super hot here, and my skin is already burning. You can see it's already so tanned and dark. But I love the weather here, the vibe. It looks like it's a very big town, but also very nice. There's a bit of traffic here because of the ferry arrival, I believe. We'll be out of the town soon. So out of the 706 miles, over 1,000 kilometers, if I can get 400 miles down today, because today is like half of a day because it's already 12 o'clock. I'm just leaving now. So if I can get 400 miles down today and then find a place to stay at night, probably camp somewhere around on the side of the motorway, that would be great. Or if I'll see, and I can get the other 300 miles down tomorrow, leaving early, meaning that I can book my ferry tomorrow evening or /night at some point to cross from Dover, so to cross into Dover, and that would be great. But let's see how it goes. You never know. But this city is so nice. And I'm just hitting the motorway straight away. I think it's the one that goes to Marseille or something, Marseille, something like that. So the first toll cost me €1.60. So toll 2, £1.80.
Check. Yes.
Oh.
This one is working perfect.
Perfect. Thank you very much, and sorry about that.
No problem. We are here to help you. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a good trip. Have a good
Thank
journey.
you.
Goodbye.
You have a good day. Thank you. I thought I need to dress up. It's super hot, and I can't even, you know, breathe. It's so hot. But I have got to wear all this stuff at least to keep me a little safe, because all this, the next 200 miles straight on this road, I have done only, I think, 24 to 30 miles so far. So I really need to, you know, get the miles down, and if I can get like 350 to 400 miles down today, because it's already 1:15. Yeah, it's 1:15 already. Half of the day is gone, and I don't know how much I can do, but I don't need to rush. Okay, let's go. I'm feeling a little more safer now.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, and you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluate.
Toll number 4, €2.30. I think I hardly ridden less than 10 miles, I guess. So far I have only done 47 miles. kind of dies down to over speed. And I've been here for like good 4-5 minutes, and there's such a long queue here. I don't know why. It shouldn't be such a long queue. And it looks like even after the toll barriers, it's still it's like no traffic moving at all. Probably there is some serious incident. There's a traffic jam on the motorway, look, and it's not even moving. Just moving now, but still very heavy traffic. There is a road work going on. I think they must have closed 1 or 2 lanes. Heavy traffic, and the Google map shows probably another good 3 to 4, I think 2 to 3 miles long queue. That's the road where I think they are building another a few more lanes. I think a couple more lanes on either side, which is good, but or maybe an interchange or something. The wind is so strong here, there's also water signs. Another traffic jam. I think this is the 3rd one. And again we are completely have come to a standstill. Google Map shows 15 minutes of this traffic jam. That's quite a lot. I haven't done much miles so far. It's almost 2 hours and 25 minutes. And in 2 hours and 25 minutes I have only done 96 miles. Only 96 miles. I've just seen an ambulance going past, so it looks like there is an accident up the road somewhere there. Yeah, I can see quite a few people around. Hopefully it's not very serious. The wind is so strong, and riding bike is not easy. The wind, like, blows you around here and there. Simply blows you around. pretty much empty. But since I left too long, it looks like every motorway or every section I've taken is super busy. At least I can filter through this traffic. One of the benefits of being on two wheels. It's a solid traffic for good like 5-6 miles at least. I can filter through, but of course its speed is pretty dead. But I'm moving, not like others. Traffic jam number 6 or 7. And once again 12 minutes of solid traffic. I need a little break to fill up the bike. I've got less than just about over a quarter of a tank left. Okay, that's the one. Let's do it. Yes. It's very expensive, over 2 euros per liter. Okay, with 20 euros, it's not even 10 liters, but it's alright. Let's park it somewhere down and go and break. Let's go and grab something to eat, have a little break. Oh god, I'm so tired. So tired. Okay, just had a little break. It's super hot. I've just found out that I've lost my the ticket that you need to when you pay the toll charges. So you pull up a ticket, and when you exit you insert the ticket and it calculates your mileage. And it was in my front pocket with my mobile. I think I took my mobile out of my pocket a few times, and I seem to have just dropped it somewhere. I don't know how I did that, but this is I'm a little bit concerned. I don't know what's going to happen, how they're going to calculate my journey on the motorway, and I have absolutely no idea how they're going to do that. This poor girl is looks in distress. I don't know. Should I ask, or should I just maybe? Okay, so let's hit the road. I've lost that toll ticket. I don't know how they're going to work it out, but I'll find out. the toll? Let's find out. Gosh, I'm dead tired. I'm only done 206 miles so far since I left at 12. So it's 12 o'clock and now it's 10 past 6. So it's 6 hours and I've done only 200 miles. This is insane. It's because of the heavy traffic and I had a couple of breaks, and but still the journey is very slow. I should have done at least 300 miles. Hi, I don't have ticket. I've lost it. I have been traveling from Toulon on A7. From Toulon. Okay. Okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Messi. Okay, I've done it. I think they calculated it and it was okay because it cost me 16 euros, some few cents, and I think that was right. Okay, we need to get another 100 miles done today. It's 7:15. Since we got a little bit of light, the problem is I do not know where I'm going to stay tonight. I haven't booked any hotel. I'm just thinking to find some service station, pitch my tent, and just crash for a night. And early morning, I just hit the road again. I'm a little bit disappointed to about what what has also on. I have only done 200 and about 10-12 miles for a whole day after since I left total at 12 o'clock. So even though I took a motorway, but it has been a horrendous traffic jam, like at least 12 different traffic jams since I left. And this has really slowed me down. I am a little bit concerned now. I don't know where I'm going to stay tonight. I think there is less than an hour's ride left, and I really need to find a place. Okay, so I have finally found there are plenty of fuel service kind of fuel station where you got cafes and everything inside, and then you also have a parking lot somewhere around here. I left my bike all the way down there, just walking around to see if I can find somewhere nice to pitch my tent. This is parking on that side. I'll just take a shortcut from here. I can literally pitch my tent anywhere, but I just want to ensure if it's allowed, or don't want to be to find out that, you know, somebody is knocking on my door at night saying, "Excuse me, what are you doing here? You're not allowed to." So I think I'm done for today. I can't ride anymore. The weather is a little bit cooler now. Such a big difference. What do we have here? Let me just walk down all the way. It was a tough day. The only thing that it didn't go as I planned is those 2 hours of delay in a ferry crossing. Let's go and grab a coffee. Okay, let's go to the loo first. When you don't have a fork, this is what you do. Oh God. Okay, so the place looks alright. There are lots of other lorries and cars, I guess, but this place will be closed at night at some point. There's a fuel station. Obviously that's a self-service sort of fuel station. I don't know where I'm gonna pitch my tent. There's lots of space here. I asked one of the staff inside and she said that shouldn't be a problem, but she said I don't want to say something because I don't really know if but if I look at these lorries, they all stay here at night, they rest, they sleep. Of course they sleep in the lorries, and people, they bring their caravan, so they stay in their caravan for, I'm just guessing, for the whole night, and then they continue the journey. So if they can stay here at night, I think as soon as the sun goes down, it's a bit more dark, I'll probably find a place. Hopefully it'll be some light around so that I can see where I am pitching my tent. Even though it looks like I've ridden so much, but I haven't. It's just because getting stuck in traffic and not being able to make any progress. So it was pretty not as I thought, and I end up being here. Okay, I think this would be a nice place for to pitch my tent. It's like hidden, nobody can see them. I'm camping here. Look at the moon! Look at the moon, full moon. Yeah, so plenty of light here. Yeah, there's a traffic because the motorway is just behind these trees and these lorries, they come and go. But you know what happens if I can sleep for a few hours, like 3-4 hours, if I can sleep, that's what I need. So took everything out of the bike. Okay, so here is my little home for tonight. It's pretty stealth. If you are on the other side where the service station is, nobody can see you are here. I got plenty of light. I'm terribly tired. I just need to get inside the tent and just try to sleep. If I could sleep a few hours, that would be great. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.